Kicked off with Jace Russell celebrating a second birthday. Looks like we were out by the rocks in the lake right there. Jace, this comes with love from mommy and daddy. And Jace celebrates in Erie.
I'm trying to think of what's going through his head right now. Like, hey, let me go. I don't want to stop and take this picture. But okay, Mom, I will, just for you.
What about the look?
All right, Jace is 2 years old. Happy birthday. Weston Shanholzer turning 2 as well. Look at that big cheese there. Weston is in McCune.
I like that shirt too. That's sharp. We got the Cook twins. We've got Keely and Kinsley. We'll start with Keely. Miss Keely, and there's Miss Kinsley. I love the matching bows as well. Just flip-flop between them, guys, since they're twins. Let's just go back and forth while I'm talking about them. They are in Carthage, and I want you guys to have a marvelous 5th birthday.
Not. You don't have to. Hayden Markley is 8 years old this year. All right. Things are looking up there. I like that shirt. Hayden celebrating his birthday in Golden City with love from Mom and Dad.
On to those with double digits, and that includes Chase McCullough. What we got there, man? I can't see the signature. I like it.
I can't tell either.
Anybody watching right now, if you want to let us know what Chase, who signed that ball right there, I would love to know. Because we got a golden birthday. Big number 12 for number 12. And Chase is in Lamar. He goes to 6th grade out there. So Chase, have a marvelous golden birthday, my man. And congratulations on that ball.
That's cool. Very cool. In Webb City, Raymond Houston turning 14 years old this year. I love all the outdoor pics we're getting in right now.
Yeah, me too.
Fave, love when we can do that. That's awesome. Hope you have a great birthday, Raymond.
From outdoor to indoor, because this was taken at a recent dance competition for Jordan Evans, who cleaned up trophy-wise, that is for sure. Jordan, a very happy 15th to you. She's in Springdale.
All right. And Landon Wheat in Parsons, turning 16 years old this year. Happy birthday, Landon. With love coming from Mom, Dad, Ethan, Aiden, and your grandparents.
Here's a good one. Olivia Riddle celebrating her 17th birthday. Miss Olivia, a very happy birthday to you, with wishes coming from Mom, Dad, and the family.
All right. Hunter Mapes is 20 years old this year in Franklin, Kansas.
Richard Ressler. He's celebrating the big number 40. Richard, a very happy birthday to you in the Berg. That photograph was not taken in Pittsburgh. I am 99.9. I am exclusively reporting that from the Skywatch Weather Center. That background is not Pittsburgh.
Nope. All right, and in Thayer, we've got Travis Pack turning 44 years old.
I love those pictures where your dad's doing everything he can to take care of the kids and whatnot. And I just know he's going to be exhausted by the end of the day. So Travis, take this day and enjoy it, my man. Janet Shadden, she is celebrating her 60th birthday. Miss Janet, a very happy birthday to you in Elsmore.
Debbie Barr turning 69 years old this year in Parsons.
How about this for an anniversary? This is so neat. 71st anniversary for Kenneth and Virginia Lala. Check out the ride behind them. The painted Just Married 71 years ago. Congratulations, Kenneth and Virginia. That is amazing.
All right, and let's see, we've got...
Give Marissa Mosley a screen to
Marissa
herself.
Mosley.
She's turning 14. She deserves it. She deserves it.
And she's in Joplin.
She counting down days till school gets out. She's like, I got a birthday. I just want to enjoy summer. Marissa, very happy birthday to you in Joplin. Happy birthday, happy